No. Oh my god. Open your big white mouth and hit it. Like this.
Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you a very short throwback trip of my visit to Shillong. And it was a time when there was no pandemic and we could roam freely. And here I'll be meeting some of my friends, and one of them also happens to be a Khasi actress, and as of today she is a pro gamer. And I will also be showing you a very pretty cafe which is located in Shillong. So yeah, let's get this video started.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love,
Where do we sit?
if you feel
Inside or
like
outside? I guess inside is better.
But I feel outside is better.
to the other side.
Just there. Yeah.
Okay. Leave all your helmets here. It's just filming. Yeah, they allow, why not? It's alright. Can we film inside? We're just filming and documentary. Can we do it like outside? Okay. Thank you so much. Begin.
You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do.
You guys want to say something about this cafe? How do you like it? How do you find it? That's pretty honest.
We'll order something.
You say you wanna try, but you never.
Check the corridor. These lights, this makes so unique. Look at their ideas of blending trees, small plants.
More plants.
Yeah,
Look, they look big in the camera now, bro.
really.
Yeah, because I zoomed it. Man,
Even
what's there?
This side. And can you recognize this? This is the thing where people used to keep eggs, right?
Yes.
In small shops, and they such a creative manner they create
Lamb.
the lamp.
Yeah.
Nice, huh? People owning a cafe should be very creative.
Wait, let me take a picture for you. We haven't taken pictures outside here though. Hello, good evening.
Let's have a bit.
We need one latte, and latte is the strong one or the cappuccino?
Cappuccino is strong.
Okay. Then 2 cappuccinos and you Americano.
One American.
And one pasta was
Oh, you lost it.
one pesto pasta as well.
Yep.
Yeah.
Slow food.
Yeah, this one. This pasta.
Chicken or
Yeah. Chicken or veg?
Chicken or veg?
What do you like? Chicken. Chicken, yeah.
anything else?
Not now.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Human trafficking? Okay.
It's paper. Oh, yes, that's my piece of paper. Let's no. Oh my god. Open your big white mouth and hidden. Like this. If you don't use that, I'm gonna hit you. Like this. If you have this photo is hidden.
You wanna cry, but you never do.
Sir, I swear I love you for this one. I seriously love you for this one. Nothing else but this one.
What did you break?
No, give it down.
No, I was smoking.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to. I'm so sorry. I love this picture. I don't know. I was.
That is true. What you said, that's why I'm like,
It's a video.
oh shit. This is so much fun, yeah? You would cheers? No. And so, what is it? I felt good. You wanna have?
Yeah, I do.
Huh? No. No, thank you. I'm full with this only.
Okay, is this chicken?
Yeah.
No, you don't need chicken.
No, that's veg. I ordered veg for you.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Sure about it?
Mm-hmm.
What's this then? Can you please take a bite and let me know?
I guess I can do it.
Yeah,
I'm full.
Is it chicken?
I don't like bread.
She won the good with the result. Let me check again.
Yeah.
You're veg?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Outside only.